Global trends have a bigger impact on your wallet than you might think. Picture it like a vast ocean. The waves are these global trends and your investments are the tiny ships sailing on it. Now imagine trying to sail without understanding the waves. Sounds risky, doesn't it? Indeed it is. Let's get familiar with the term global trends. They are major shifts or developments happening around the world that can influence economies, societies, and consequently the investment landscape. They could be anything. Technological advancements, political changes, environmental issues, or even cultural shifts. And these trends, my friends, have the power to make or break investment outcomes. Consider this. A rise in environmental consciousness worldwide has been pushing green energy stocks skywards. On the other hand, a sudden political shift in a country could cause a plummet in its currency's value. These are just two examples of how global trends can directly impact your investments. Now you might be wondering, how does this affect me and my wallet? Well, whether you're a seasoned investor or someone who's just dipping their toes into the investment waters, understanding these trends is crucial. It's like having a compass in the vast ocean of investing. The more you understand global trends, the better you can navigate the investment landscape. You can steer clear of potentially risky investments and sail towards more promising ones. It's about being proactive rather than reactive, making informed decisions rather than shooting in the dark. In conclusion, the world of investing is interconnected with the larger world in more ways than one. It's an exciting journey, full of opportunities and challenges. And the key to navigating this journey successfully, you guessed it right, understanding global trends. When you understand global trends, you hold the key to smarter investment decisions. Investing can seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Now let's break down the basics. Investing is the act of committing money or capital to an endeavor, with the expectation of obtaining an additional income or profit. It's not about tucking your money under a mattress, but rather putting it to work. So, why does investing matter? Well, it's all about growth. By investing, you're giving your money the potential to increase in value over time. Think of it as a little seed that can grow into a mighty tree. And the best part, you don't need to be a Wall Street whiz or have a mountain of money to start. Now, on to how to get started. First, set clear financial goals. Are you saving for a new house, your retirement, or maybe a trip around the world? Your goals will determine your investment strategy. Second, learn about different types of investments. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, they're all different, but they all serve a purpose in your investment portfolio. Next up, diversification. This is a strategy that mixes a variety of investments within a portfolio. The rationale behind this technique is that a portfolio constructed of different kinds of investments will, on average, yield higher returns and pose a lower risk. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. Then there's risk management. Investing always involves some level of risk. It's essential to understand that the value of investments can go down as well as up. It's all about finding a balance between the level of risk and the potential reward. And finally, consider getting professional advice. A good financial advisor can help you navigate the investing landscape. Remember, there's no shame in asking for help. Remember, investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a journey. It's about making informed decisions and being patient. After all, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your investment portfolio. So take your time, keep learning, and start your investing journey today. Scene script. Spotting global trends can be like finding a needle in a haystack, but don't worry, it's not as hard as it sounds. Imagine you're a surfer ready to ride the waves. The waves are the global trends, and the surfer, well, that's you, the investor. The better you understand the waves, the better you'll surf. Let's take a look at some real-world examples. Back in the early 2000s, people were just starting to get their heads around the internet. A few savvy investors spotted this global trend and put their money into tech companies. Today, those investors are grinning all the way to the bank, or consider the rise of renewable energy. A decade ago, fossil fuels were still king, but the winds of change were blowing. Those who saw the potential of solar and wind power and invested early are now reaping the rewards. Global trends aren't just about technology or energy. They can be cultural, economic, or political. Remember when gluten-free products were a niche market? Now they're mainstream. And businesses that capitalized on this trend early on have seen significant returns. But how do you spot these trends? It's all about staying informed, read widely, listen to podcasts, attend webinars. Be curious about the world around you. Look for patterns, for shifts in the way people live, work, and play. And remember, investing in a trend doesn't mean jumping on the bandwagon as soon as you spot it. It's about understanding the trend, its potential for growth, and its risks. It's about making informed decisions, not impulsive ones. Investing based on global trends isn't a guaranteed ticket to riches. There will be hits and misses, but by staying informed and thinking critically, you can increase your chances of success. So keep your eyes open, your mind sharp, and your surfboard ready. The waves are coming, and they're full of opportunities. In the world of investing, knowledge truly is power. Ready to dive into investing? Here are some practical tips to get you started. First off, let's talk about setting financial goals. It's like planning a journey. You wouldn't hit the road without knowing your destination, right? Similarly, in investing, you need to know what you're aiming for. Whether it's saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or that dream vacation, having a clear goal can guide your investment decisions. Now, on to the next point. Research. You wouldn't buy a car without checking its features and performance, would you? The same applies to investing. Before investing in any stock, bond, or mutual fund, take the time to understand what you're putting your money into. Look at the company's fundamentals, the industry it operates in, and its growth prospects. Knowledge is power, my friends. Patience. The virtue that's not so common in today's fast-paced world. But in the world of investing, it's a trait you must cultivate. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your investment portfolio. It's not about making quick bucks, but about growing your wealth over time. So be patient and let the magic of compounding do its work. Finally, let's tackle emotions. Now, we're all human, and it's natural to feel a rush of excitement or a pang of fear when dealing with money. But when it comes to investing, emotions can be your worst enemy. Fear can make you sell at a loss, while greed can make you hold on to an investment for too long. So keep your emotions in check and make decisions based on facts, not feelings. And there you have it. 4 practical tips to kickstart your investing journey: setting financial goals, doing thorough research, practicing patience, and not letting emotions dictate your decisions. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient, stay informed, and most importantly, stay the course. Investing doesn't have to be a mystery. With the right knowledge, you can unlock its potential. We've spent the last few minutes diving into the world of investing, understanding how global trends shape our investment opportunities. We started by exploring the basics, the fundamentals that form the bedrock of any successful investment strategy. From there, we took a journey around the globe, seeing how international trends can open up vast opportunities if you know where to look. We also shared some practical tips for those of you just starting out on your investment journey, because we all start somewhere, right? But remember, this is just the beginning. The world of investing is vast and ever-changing. It's up to you to stay informed, to keep learning, and to adapt your strategies as the world shifts around us. Remember, the world is your oyster when it comes to investing, so keep your eyes open, your mind sharp, and your wallet ready.